Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to download offline maps on Google Maps for travel. So go ahead to Google Maps, tap your avatar icon in the top right, scroll a bit down to find offline maps button, tap it, and as you can see I only have one, but if you want to download an offline map, go ahead and press select your own map button. Right? Let's say you want a different region. So you could go ahead and zoom out and choose a different country. Sorry. Let's say Medina or Jeddah, excuse me. Here. Okay. Now I gotta do, hit download at the bottom right. Now just wait so you can be notified when it's done. And this allows offline driving directions, search, and navigation, but not walking, biking directions, or traffic data. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps. See you in the next one.